Now we'll move to the next artery, which we are going to discuss its anatomy. And this is what is known as the medial plantar artery. So it's an artery in the foot. Let's try to identify it. So this is the medial plantar artery right here, looking at us. Let's identify it again. Okay, medial plantar artery. So this one is going inward towards you, while the lateral plantar usually goes outward. So the medial plantar artery, that is one of the two terminal branches of the posterior tibial artery. It runs forward along the medial side of the sole beneath the abductor hallucis muscle. So it supplies the medial side of the foot. So it arises from the posterior tibial artery after it passes behind the medial malleolus. Let's trace that. This could be better. Okay, so this is the posterior tibial and it gives the medial plantar artery. Alright, so the other terminal branch is the lateral plantar, which was spoken about. So what's the cause? It runs forward along the medial side of the foot, lies beneath the abductor hallucis muscle, then between it and the flexor digitorum brevis. So it continues towards the base of the first metatarsal bone. Okay. So branches. It gives superficial branch that supplies the skin and the superficial structure to the medial sole. Also the deep branches that supply the abductor hallucis and the flexor digitorum brevis muscle. The digital branches supply the great toe. Then it also anastomoses with different arteries and all of that. So distribution is to supply the medial sole of the foot, abductor hallucis muscles, the flexor digitorum brevis muscles supply the great toe. Okay. Also contributes to the vascularization of the down of the foot, the sole of the foot. So relations, it runs deep to the abductor hallucis, then between it and the flexor digitorum brevis. So it lies medial to the lateral plantar artery, which is larger and forms a plantar arch. So clinical note, it is smaller than the lateral plantar artery, you should know that, and it could be involved in injuries and compromise. Also plays a role in the collateral circulation with the dorsal arteries of the foot.